Hello. Today, we will be discussing how to find employment on campus as an international student. Workday is now the platform that is used to find new and current positions, and today, we will learn how to navigate it. So, what jobs can international students apply for? Per F1 student visa regulations, international students are permitted to apply for student hourly on-campus employment. Other requirements for the position include being paid by MSU Denver or AHEC, part-time positions, as you are only permitted to work a maximum of 20 hours per week, with some exceptions when classes are not in session. Most importantly, you must get approved from ISS for any work opportunities. To find open or available job positions, your first step is to visit the Student Hub at msudenver.edu/Student Hub. Once you've accessed the Student Hub, scroll to Web Services and click Workday. You will be prompted to sign in to access Workday. Do so by using your MSU Denver email and password. Verify your sign-in using the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you have accessed Workday, your next step is to locate the Jobs Hub. This may be accessed through your Top Apps tab or by clicking the menu in the top left corner of your screen. Once you've entered the Jobs Hub, click Find Student Jobs in the Overview menu. Selecting this option ensures that all positions not available to students are filtered out. To further narrow your search, we recommend applying the following search filters: Job Family, Non-Work Study, Job Profile, Student Hourly, Primary Location, Auraria Campus, Time Type, Part-Time. You may be wondering, can I apply for any available job? Unfortunately, no. There are some restrictions to keep in mind. International students are not eligible for work-study positions. You cannot apply for jobs at CCD or CU Denver. Lastly, you must receive approval from the ISS team for any off-campus work, such as optional practical training (OPT) or curricular practical training (CPT). If you are unsure about your eligibility for a position, please reach out to ISS or contact the hiring team. Thank you for watching.